Welcome to Cattien's World! Today we'll be unboxing this baby born. It's so cute. You can open her eyes and close her eyes when you put her down. And it also has a hole. You can feel her also. It's a try me. Now I'm so excited to open. Look at these. I can open on the back. Wow, it's opening. It opened. Now let me go on this side. It also opens. Now I can go on this side. Wait. Wow, wait. There's instructions. It's for the baby. First step, you hug the baby. Next step, wait. Then you just and then you check her temperature and then you feed her some medicine. For the next one, you check her heart. Let's start. I'm so excited. Wow, it's so cute. Look, the baby. Oh, it's so cute. Let's open. Let me take her out. She's so cute. She blinked. Look. And so those are eyelashes. So cute. Look at this. Oh, the baby's so cute. Is it adorable? Now it's time for this. Oh, it's so cute. I can wear it. Now, her bow. There's this bag attached and you can open it and put on her head. So cute. Now let me take this. Oh, I wonder what is this? It's a heart. Oh, it's the temperature to check the temperature. Look, if you press here, it changes. Bad, good, bad, good. So cute. Now, the next thing is a medicine. Look at this plus, it has a heart. Everything almost has a heart. Even the spoon. It's so adorable. Hi, baby. Look, when you stand her up, she opens her eyes. When we lay her down, she closes her eyes. She's sleeping. Okay, let's wear a bow. You can take off her bow and then take that off. Now we can put it on. I'm so excited. There he is. Is she adorable? She matches. Cute. Yeah, matches her shirt. Look, she's opening her eyes and closing her eyes. Look. And also, she could say, she is happy. Now listen to this. Look at her cheek. She has a, sick. Yeah, fever. Oh, let's check her fever because she's feeling really sick. I'm gonna start with counting her. Okay, now I can take her belly. Now I can check her temperature. It's bad. Okay, it has a high fever. Now I'm gonna get some medicine for her. Let's open it. It's perfect. like grapes? She liked it. Okay, now I'm gonna check her heart. Is she gonna feel better? Let's feel right here. She feels better. Now she is feeling all better. Now she can play.
So cute.
Oh, it's time for she to go to sleep. Look, when she stands, she opens her eyes. When you lay her down, she closes her eyes.
Oh, so cute.
And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Bye.